Hey y'all, I thought that today I'm taking you guys behind the scenes of like how in the world I'm editing for my Vlogmas intro and things like that. So I have 4 pair of pajamas that I want to try just to like, you know, use for this, and of course some pieces around the house. But I thought what better way to do this and what better day to do it than this gloomy, rainy day today. So for sure the winter weather is on its way. I really have no idea how else like to do this, right? So all these people make really good intros. I just want mine to be plain, sweet, and simple. So just something simple for Christmas. Alright y'all, so I'm home. It's actually one of those like gloomy afternoons. It turned around real quick. This morning the sun was out a little bit. It wasn't cloudy, now it's cloudy, rainy, and cold. So of course I came in the house, immediately turned my heat on. I have some dishes I need to do this afternoon, and then like I said before with the elf on the shelf thing, I gotta sit down and plan that. I did print it off at work, that way I can kind of put the kit together, or at least try to put it together without her knowing what I'm doing. And other than that, I'm just gonna chill this afternoon. All right, so the design that I have for the intro is simply just the plaid in the bright colors. You got the gingerbread house and men, you got the Christmas trees, and then the bright Christmas tree print. Alright y'all, so a couple days has passed. I have tried so hard to get that intro done and together, so I just decided to do the intro in this, you know, red sweater here, even though it says mama, whatever. I am a mom. It's red, it's festive. I took my hair out of like a braid to the side in order to do this. But literally, I'm gonna show y'all what I had to go through. It's literally like, it's crazy. Let me just show y'all. Alright, so I have the little clicker that you can easily get with like, I don't know, like any tripod and stuff. And I just make sure that it's synced to my phone, which is literally up in right here. I'm setting up the camera because I will be editing it through CapCut, but I'm setting up the camera to basically be a 0.5 so that it can, you know, see outwards. Right now I do, where'd it go? I do want to show like, oh my gosh, the video to do for like a short of how in the world I got this done. So literally, you know, kind of like what you guys see here, it is recording. So yeah, like trying to get that together or whatever. As far as like, you know, the footage goes, I'm trying my best to like get angles over here, angles over there, and it's just like, which one's going to be better? So I think that, like I said, red with like the different stuff on the tree makes good. Like I said, you got the little clicker and you just click it and it takes the picture for you. So, you know, just always Bluetooth it beforehand. But I will show you guys the intro once I can fully get that together, because I'm going to go into CapCut in a few and put those 3 pieces together, and then I'm making the outro. The outro, I've learned I'm not doing like you know, like, oh, next video. You know, if people choose to watch, they'll go to your channel and they'll choose to pick the video that you know, that they really want to watch. I will also say that you know, I don't know how I'm going to batch record for Vlogmas content, but I'm gonna have to. Of course, y'all are going to see, you know, like Thanksgiving food. Y'all are gonna see how I'm getting into, you know, December the beginning of December. So, whew, I'm hot. Just trying to show y'all. Let me just show y'all how I'm doing this on CapCut in case you want to do it yourself. And then I'm going off to read a book and get myself together. So the pictures that I took today, I made them into the intro, but you guys will have to just see it at the end. This done. So literally, you know, kind of like what you guys see here, it is recording. So yeah, like trying to get that together or whatever. As far as like, you know, the footage goes, I'm trying my best to like get angles over here, angles over there, and it's just like, which one's gonna be better? So I think that, like I said, red with like the different stuff on the tree makes good. Like I said, you got the little clicker and you just click it and it takes the picture for you. So, you know, just always Bluetooth it beforehand. But I will show you guys the Alright, so I know y'all been waiting to see the intro. Intro is short, sweet, simple, to the point. So, let's check it out. And I'll catch y'all for Vlogmas Day 2. And I'll catch y'all for Vlogmas Day 2.